echoes of truth and calls. From the depths of Caracasa to hearts that seek his peace, a righteous hand leads us in the judgment of this earthly land. Carrots, these words divine, in the realm of spirit we find. Oh, let the truth be revealed in the chambers of the Most High. Righteousness and mercy sing in the judgment of heaven. From Purifican to St. Petersburg, a virtual church will rise in the name of God's great love and the Son who made the sacrifice. From the city of the black churches past, a legacy that still stands strong. Born in the year when truth awakened, in every word the Spirit spoke. A call for justice pure and strong, to lift up the weak and right the wrong. Led by the holy flame, in the court of God we speak his name. Oh, let the truth be revealed in the halls of the Most High. Righteousness and mercy sing in the court of heaven. From Purifican to St. Petersburg, a virtual church will rise in the name of God's great love and the Son who made the sacrifice. For every sin and every pain, judgment falls like healing rain. In the balance of the scales we find the mercy of the Lord divine. Through the valleys and the storms we are reborn in righteous forms. For every soul that seeks the light, there is a promise in the night. Oh, let the truth be revealed in the halls of the Most High. Righteousness and mercy sing in the court of heaven. From Purifican to St. Petersburg, a virtual church will rise in the name of God's great love and the Son who made the sacrifice. Judgment and mercy, we find the way to liberation. With every prayer, with every plea, we are bound in unity. Let the righteous stand and sing in the shadow of the black church's wing. For in truth and in light we find our way to God's pure Son.